everybody, welcome back to the craft room. Thank you for joining me. I am so glad that you are here. Today I am going to give you a tip about the camel stitch that I showed you in my yarn talk video that I put out yesterday or the other day. This is what the camel stitch looks like. This is really crocheted, okay? It is not knitted. And it is for me, it is very tedious. Here's what the back side of the camel stitch looks like. If you can see that. I don't know. Kind of looks blurry to me, but I'm kind of close to it. But anyway, what the camel stitch is you go into, instead of going into the V's, which that's what you see up here is the V's, you go into the back hump behind those V's on the back side of your work. So I'm going to show you a really quick, easy tip on how to make that go as quick as possible. Now this is only the second or third time that I have actually ever done this. I originally seen this type of brim on a Sheepishly Sharing video. I will try to link what's her name? Oh my goodness. Margaret, she's awesome. I will try to remember to link her video down in the description box below where she shows how to do this. But there's two things that I discovered. Is number one, this works best in the round because as you can see right here, with this hat you chained and then continued on. Well, that's what I did for 2 rows, and then I decided I didn't want that little bump there. You can see a little bump where I chained and joined and went up a row. So I started doing it in the round for the rest of the rows. And the other 2 things that I think work best is working with your project wrong side out, and also finding that loop ahead of time with your hook and pulling it out and then making your stitch. Now I'm going to insert a little quick clip. It's not really quick, it's about 2.5 minutes, but it shows my struggle, starting out my struggle of doing the camel stitch. And then once I get, probably because it was a darker color, and for me the darker colors like the dark blue here and the purple, those are a little hard for me to see, the back bumps. But I got a little bit of trouble at first, and then once I get to the lighter colors, it goes a lot quicker. And I kind of show you up close how I am doing those stitches. So watch this little quick video, and I will check back with you as soon as it's over. Okay, so what did you guys think of that quick little tip? I think it made it a whole lot easier to do the camel stitch, but it takes way too long. I probably could have had another hat halfway finished in the amount of time that it took me to do this camel stitch. But I absolutely love the way it looks on this hat. Like I showed you in my last video, I think some preschooler will be tickled pink. Well, tickled rainbow. Some little preschooler is going to be super happy to get this hat. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me here in the craft room for my quick little tip on the camel stitch. And I will check back with you right back here in the craft room for my next video.